everyone, today I'm unboxing my ButcherBox, delivered and just in time for the holidays. Let's see what's inside. Okay, I got my great utility knife. I am going to cut on each side. It's just tape, so you can cut it with pretty much anything. If you have some family scissors that you use everything with, please do not use your kitchen scissors. A lot of people do that, and that's not a good idea. Make sure when you're cutting this with your utility knife, make sure you don't go deep down into it because you can cut whatever is inside. Ooh, it looks like it's insulated very well. Oh, there is an opening. Oh, like a little door. And inside here, this is where you got your cold packs. Let's take these out. You got 2 cold packs, which I got in my box. And then you have another board. Oh, I see, which is really cold. Ooh, look inside. We got all kind of things. Let's see what we got. We're starting off with some organic chicken. Okay, as I got it out, it was still frozen. That's a good idea. This is great. These are chicken tenders. So I'm getting individually wrapped chicken tenders and they're organic. Okay, this is our next item. Oh, it's frozen, really. Okay, yes. This is a ground-fed pork bottom roast. Oh, round roast. Oh, it's so cold, guys. Look at the ice. They keep it very cold when you get there. It's frozen. You see the ice? You don't have to worry about anything spoiling. This is going to be fresh, great meat that they're sending you. Okay, let's get our next thing in here. Oh, yeah, here it is. This is my chicken thighs. These are free-range chicken thighs, and they are organic. So these are frozen, and you can tell. Look at this. This is really good frozen. You don't have to worry about this stuff being spoiled or anything. This is sealed right away and packaged to you completely frozen. So you're going to get a real cold box. The thing about me getting this box, I got it early than expected. So that's a good thing. It's great for the holidays. You don't have to wait a long time. Okay, let's get the next thing that we have in here. Oh, great. Finally, I got my ground beef. And there's my ground beef. I get 2 packages of ground beef, which that is wonderful. Look at this. It's frozen, and I'm glad because I've got all my meats, and they're all good and frozen, and I cannot wait to start cooking. Okay, our next thing. Oh, great. I got my steaks. I'm so happy, guys. I got my steaks, my strip loin steaks. Oh, God, I'm just thinking about all the things I can do with these steaks. Oh, my God, I can't wait. Okay, so those are all the meats that I ordered. But here's something special. By getting your first order and doing your first box, you get to choose something free, which you can get for the holidays. You can get a turkey breast, a spiral ham. You can get any of these for free. You get to choose which one you like. And I choose, my turkey. I don't have to go get a turkey. Oh, it's just heavy, guys. I got a turkey. Wow, and it's frozen ready. All I got to do is just set this out in my refrigerator a couple of days before I cook it. Make sure it's unthawed in the refrigerator, guys, and I have my turkey. If you don't like a whole turkey, you can end up getting the turkey breast, the spiral ham. You get to choose any one you want, a whole turkey, spiral ham, or a turkey breast. If you're interested in getting your ButcherBox, just click the link below. Don't forget, your first box, you get to pick something free, a turkey, a spiral ham, or a turkey breast. So why not? Just click that link below and get yours today. I want to thank ButcherBox for sponsoring this video. See you next time. Bye.